exactly, but compare the price category to similar products as Amazon adjusts their prices all the time. Lastly, give a credible and balanced review of the product. Always write about the pros and the cons of the product. It should be the ultimate buyer's guide. Your goal should be to write an article that answers every possible question your readers could have on the product. The primary goal shouldn't be the one-time sale. It should be to keep your audience coming back for more. Linking strategies for conversions. The Amazon affiliate program is competitive, but it's detrimental to think of other affiliates as competition. At the end of the day, your viewers are where you are making your money, so focusing on how to steal another website's audience is irrelevant. Grow your audience the same way every blogger does, and your sales will come with them. Once they are on your page, there are ways to maximize your potential, and it comes down to linking products effectively. Here's how. Link to special offers. Amazon's admin page provides details of its latest deals. Use it to attract the ones in your audience who might not want to shell out their hard-earned cash for expensive products. Clue them in when deals are happening. This will show you care more about their wallet, and they will be more inclined not only to purchase, but to come back for more great advice. Create custom banners and links for any product page on Amazon. If you have a photo of a product that you like being used by you, then your audience will be more inclined to trust what you have to say about it. They'll also know that you are using a product you enjoy. This is actually an advantage of staying small. You don't need a football player for an endorsement. You are the reason your audience shows up, and they want your opinion. Of all the links on my website, the most common ones clicked behind the menu bar at the top are my inline links. Viewers can finish the article and then scroll up and click a highlighted link. Most of Amazon's sales transactions come from basic text links inside the content body of a blog post. They are the most effective way to get web visitors to click. People tend to find the body of the content more credible than any other area of the website. Make product images clickable. Think about how you browse the net and social media. Isn't it nice when you see something you want, you can simply click on it and order without hassle? Every image featuring the product as the subject matter should be clickable. No excuses. The do's of Amazon affiliate marketing. Post links regularly. Look for creative ways to incorporate product recommendations into your blog posts while still letting the reader know you are offering them expertise on your website subject. Make featured articles or a simple product trivia. Include a call to action such as buy now or add to cart buttons. Be specific when using keywords. For example, instead of using best Android phone of 2016, try best Android phone of 2016 under $100. Although these long-tail keywords may not deliver as much traffic to your site, these are high conversion type keywords that drive sales. Use alternate traffic sources. There are many other traffic sources that you can tap into to promote Amazon products simultaneously. Utilize other platforms simultaneously with your site or blog. Remember, the more targeted traffic you can direct to your sales page, the more chances of closing a sale. Use Google AdWords to drive targeted traffic to your sales page or run a Facebook ad. Ramp up the normal means of directing traffic to your site, not to Amazon. Trade Amazon Associates referral links. Since Amazon prohibits the use of an affiliate link to your own purchase, you may ask somebody else, like another blogger or even a friend, to use your link instead. In return, you could return the favor for them in the future. You can have the discount Amazon provides, plus you have helped another associate earn their commission. Use lists. Most online stores keep lists of popular products. Make your own recommendation lists every month or quarter on a new topic and keep it updated. Your viewers will appreciate the efforts that you put into your website. In the long run, this will keep your audience more engaged and will encourage loyalty. Recommend more products. Amazon affiliate program is straightforward. The more you recommend Amazon products, the more money you make. It also lets you provide more direct links to the things your audience is interested in, and they can trust you as their own personal Amazon filter, thus delivering more value to them. Create a product comparison grid. Doing so for all of the products under the same category is one quick way to get a bunch of links in one spot. This will allow your viewers to sort by various features. This strategy makes it easier for your readers to make their decision on your site and link directly across to Amazon once they figure it out. The don'ts of Amazon affiliate marketing. For some bloggers and niche site builders, making money from Amazon can become a nightmare. Just like any ads or affiliate programs, Amazon reserves the right to ban you anytime. If you break any of Amazon's terms of service, all of the hard work you have could fly out the window. So if you are planning to build something with them, take note of the following. Don't set up more than one account. As a general rule, you are only entitled to one Amazon Associate account. Amazon had authorized multiple account holders depending on the nature and scale of the associate business. You can request multiple accounts directly from customer service, but unless your business is huge, don't expect them to make an exception for you. From a business sense, if you do have drastically different companies, then set up an advertising business and route your affiliate money through that. There's generally no need to set up more accounts, and doing so could get you permanently banned from having one at all. Don't link from your email list. Amazon explicitly bans the use of any affiliate links in any offline manner. This applies to emails too. They have a good reason, but it isn't important. What's important is that you don't send links out with your newsletters. Instead, link to a page on your site that includes the affiliate links, as you would with any other advertising service. The same applies to ebooks and PDF documents or any links that aren't specifically directed affiliate traffic from your blog. Avoid short links or any kind of masking. Amazon requires a clear identification of its link. Customers should be able to identify that they are clicking special link directed to the Amazon site. You can use Amazon's default link shortener service, Amazon 2, but stay away from others and always make it clear where your link is directing the reader. They will appreciate it too. Don't purchase from your own link. This is a special program for your viewers, not for you. It's best not to try to sidestep this system either, as Amazon's monitoring software is continually updated specifically to check if users, authors, or affiliates are abusing their system. Be careful with social media links. You can add your media accounts through the affiliate program, but be cautious about the use. If you have 18 Facebook pages, double check that you are on a registered account before posting the link, or register all of them. If in doubt, double check and update your affiliate profile before posting. Don't plagiarize. It happens, we've all seen it, but don't do it and risk being the one Amazon chooses to make an example of. Even aside from Amazon's restriction, you shouldn't do it anyway. If you have freelancers writing your posts, run them through Copyscape. Your voice is what attracted your blog audience. Use it to your advantage. Don't link from adult content. If Amazon finds your articles too vulgar, obscene, excessively violent, or sexually explicit, then they don't want their link on your site. If your site is all about adult toys, well, you might have to create another website before joining the program. Sex sells, but not in the affiliate program. Don't link to special promotions. Once the promotion is over, or before it's over, Amazon expects you to remove any text that implies any kind of discounted sale. If you forget to remove the content, the internet goes down, or whatever, you could get in trouble with Amazon. It's best not to do it at all, but if you want to announce it, the easiest way is by including the full date and time, including the year that the promotion will end, and keep the text in its own isolated paragraph for easy removal later. Concluding thoughts. Amazon's affiliate program is a good way to earn a little cash on the side to support your website or even to create your own business from the ground up. I hope that the tips and explanations here were helpful in informing you about this service and giving you some ideas on how you can use your own blog to generate a little extra income. The long version of don'ts is in the terms of service agreement for the program, and this isn't an exhaustive list. I meant to pull out the most immediate features you will bump into as a blogger and point them out to prevent you from making common mistakes. As the process is so easy, there really isn't any reason why every blogger can't be including links on their pages, but especially if you deal with product placement in a niche market. The affiliate program is a great way to earn some extra cash for your project and can make very lucrative business when you begin learning to use it. A dedicated server space and a handful of URLs doesn't cost much yearly, but what if it could not only pay for itself, but earn you extra income as well?